Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to edit and type mathematical equations on MS Word. So I thought you knew this, but it seems like after grading homework 1, it looks like some of you do not know how to enter mathematical equations on Word. Okay, so if you know how to handle equations on Word, then you don't need to watch this video. And the reason, maybe the reason why you don't know how to do this is because in maybe it is very recent version that had a huge improvement in equation editing. So if you click insert and if you click equation, then this is the built-in equation editor in Word. But this was not that powerful years ago. So when I was a student, MS Word was not good enough to handle mathematical equations. But still, Word is the best word processor, typeset processor. So we had to use Word, but we are not satisfied with its equation editing. In that case, like a professional researcher like me, I'm a professional researcher, and I have to write research articles with a lot of mathematical equations. So a profession like me, used to buy MathType. MathType is this is an add-on program, and it is not free. You have to buy a separate program called MathType, and then if you install that program, then this menu appears here, and I'll show you. Like for example, if you want to enter equation, then if you click something, if you enter something, then it has options like some like say xi equals something like this, say. So you may just use the menus here to edit the equations, but as I said, it is not free. The reason why I'm telling you this is because this program was the best way to enter mathematical equations. Like a few years ago, like 5 years ago, maybe you need to use this to make a professional, formal report with mathematical equations. So then, why do you need to know this? Because just like later in your career, your boss, your supervisor may use this. If he or she, if your supervisor uses MathType, and then to work with him or her, then you have to know what this program is. So then you need to buy this. You need to then you have to learn it by yourself. Then, like watch YouTube at the time. Today I'm not going to show you any more than this. It is so. For example, I'll show you how it applies. Let's see, I will just finish an equation, and then it makes an equation there. But it is treated as if it's kind of like an image. So it's not that convenient. It causes a lot of problems and like breaks the format styles. So I don't like this program. These days, as I said, we have a very powerful equation editor which is built in MS Word. I don't know which version you use, but if you use the same version as mine, then you will find the same editor. Let me show you. If you click this, then you have this, say, just let me type whatever, simple equation, say y is x plus z. Then it is automatically set as center aligned, but if you include this in as a part of a sentence, then let's say consider a regression equation this. Then you can use this equation as a part of the sentence, or you may again you may use align, whatever. And if you increase the font size, then font size will increase together. So it's very convenient. But increasing font size does not work here. I think it does not work. Oh, it works, but does not increase, right? So this is how how you need to type mathematical equations in your homework. As I said, it is a writing intensive course, so this is a good like important exercise, and this is what this course is for. So I want you to try this and do your homework using this method. And let me show you a little more complicated case. Let me first show you the way the thing we usually use. Say subscript. I use subscript y I equals. So then beta is here. Beta is here. Beta 0 plus beta 1. Beta 1, and then xi plus ui. This is how I enter the regression equation that we usually see you see from the slide. And then let's say let its estimation its the predicted value of y, then you may use again is given by, and then you enter, say I will use head, and then head is you need to find head here. Here is head, and so something like this, yi equals, again now I'll put it this way, beta 0 head plus beta 1 head and xi. So this is how I enter mathematical equation. By the way, one small technical writing tip. So officially, like in principle, the equation is a part of sentence or itself is a sentence. So you have to put punctuation after the equation as if it is a sentence. So when I say here, it is predicted value y is given by y head equals beta head 0 and beta head 1 xi. That finishes a sentence, so you have to put a period at the end of this. So this is how we use mathematical equations. So try this. I want you to try this, and then it will make your report or whatever, your essay or dissertation thesis, look much more formal. So try this. See you later.